Hello, today we will explore the CoinEX exchange, an easy-to-use and reliable platform that is perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. CoinEX has been operating since 2017 and is known for its stability and security, as well as the ability to trade without mandatory KYC verification, which is especially appealing for those who value privacy. What we will discuss today: how to register, complete verification, and fund your account. Getting started with trading on the platform, from spot trading to futures trading with leverage up to 100. Utilizing copy trading, staking, trading bots, and other features to earn even without active trading. Follow our affiliate link in the description to receive $100 cashback for completing a few simple tasks, as well as a discount on trading fees. Just register with the promo code PUMP69 and all bonuses will be automatically linked to your account. CoinEX is an international cryptocurrency exchange that has been operating for over 7 years. It is one of the most reliable platforms, focusing on privacy. It serves millions of users from more than 200 countries. CoinEX offers numerous earning opportunities: spot trading, hundreds of pairs with low fees, only 0.1%. Futures, contracts with leverage up to 100. Earn, staking and flexible savings with interest. Copy trading, the ability to automatically replicate the trades of professional traders. CT token, the exchange token that provides discounts on fees and bonuses for holders. P2P platform, convenient buying and selling of cryptocurrency with a card or via bank transfer. To start earning on CoinEX, you first need to register. This process takes just a few minutes. Follow the link in the description below the video. This is the official CoinEX affiliate link that provides bonuses. On the opened page, enter your email and create a strong password. Make sure that the referral code field contains the code PUMP69. This will activate the bonuses. A confirmation code will be sent to your email. Copy it and paste it on the website. Done. Your account is created. Now you can set up security. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, in the security section to protect your funds. CoinEX is also available as a mobile app. The exchange will prompt you to scan a QR code to download it from the App Store or Google Play, allowing you to manage your balance and trade directly from your smartphone. On CoinEX, you can trade and withdraw funds without going through KYC, which is convenient for those who want to maintain anonymity. However, to increase limits and use fiat deposit methods, it is recommended to undergo a simple identity verification process. Without KYC, trading, depositing, and withdrawing cryptocurrencies are available. Withdrawal limit is up to $10,000 per day. Access to some promotions and fiat operations is limited. With KYC, withdrawal limit increases to $1 million per day. Access to P2P, launch pool, and promotions. Additional account protection. How to complete verification: go to your profile, user icon in the top right corner, select verification, specify your country and type of document, passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. The confirmation process usually takes 5-15 minutes. After this, you will gain full access to all CoinEX features, including P2P trading and fiat transfers. Now that your account is ready, let's look at how to fund your account and withdraw funds on CoinEX. Like other major platforms, there are several methods available: through a crypto wallet, P2P, and online exchanges. Method 1: deposit cryptocurrency via wallet or another exchange. Go to the Assets, Deposit section. Select a coin, for example USDT, and specify the network: TRC20, ERC20, BSC, etc. Copy the CoinEX wallet address that the system will show you. Go to your external wallet, such as Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or another exchange where you have crypto. Click Withdraw, paste the CoinEX address, and select the same network specified for the deposit. Confirm the transaction. Within 2 to 5 minutes, the coins will appear in your CoinEX spot wallet. For beginners, it's more convenient to use the TRC20 network due to its optimal fees and speed. CoinEX does not charge a deposit fee, only the network fee for sending is applicable. Method 2: deposit via P2P, buying with card or bank. If you want to buy crypto with your local currency, CoinEX offers a P2P platform where users exchange crypto directly. This method is supported in over 200 countries, including Europe, Asia, Africa, and Latin America. How it works: go to the P2P trading section on the homepage. Select the currency you want to pay with, like USD or Euro. Specify the payment method: bank transfer, Revolut, Wise, Payoneer, etc. Review the list of sellers. Pay attention to their rating, recommended above 95%, and the number of successful transactions. Click Buy USDT. Enter the amount, follow the instructions, and transfer the money to the seller. After the seller confirms the payment, the cryptocurrency will automatically be credited to your balance. Method 3: buying via online exchange, BestChange. If P2P is not available in your country, you can use trusted exchanges. Follow the link to BestChange in the description below the video. On the left, choose your payment method, like your bank or payment service. On the right, select what you want to receive: USDT, TRC20. Choose an exchange with the best rate, high rating, and sufficient reserve. Enter the amount and paste the CoinEX deposit address that you copied from the deposit section. Pay according to the details and wait. Within 5-30 minutes, the funds will arrive in your CoinEX account. Withdrawing funds from CoinEX. The process of withdrawing funds from CoinEX is similar to depositing. Let's review the available options. Withdrawal to crypto wallet. Go to the Assets, Withdraw section. Select a coin, for example USDT, and the network: TRC20, BSC, Arbitrum, etc. Paste the recipient's wallet address and specify the amount. Confirm the withdrawal using the code from your email or 2FA. After a few minutes, the transaction will appear on the blockchain and the funds will be with you. Withdrawal via P2P. Go to P2P trading. Sell tab. Select the currency and amount. Specify your bank or payment system. Wait for the buyer to transfer the money to your card, verify the receipt, and only then confirm the transaction. After confirmation, the system will automatically unlock the USDT in your account and transfer it to the buyer. Withdrawal via online exchange, BestChange. If you need to withdraw cryptocurrency from CoinEX to fiat, to a card or electronic money, perform actions similar to depositing but in reverse. Go to the BestChange website. Link in the description below the video. On the left, choose what you are giving, like USDT, TRC20. On the right, select what you want to receive: your local currency to a card, euros to Revolut, dollars to Wise, etc. A list of exchanges will appear on the screen. Pay attention to the exchange rate, ratings and reviews, the availability of the required amount, Go to the website of the chosen exchange, enter the amount, your CoinEX wallet address for sending, and the details of where you want to receive the money. Transfer the crypto from CoinEX to the exchange address through the Withdraw, USDT, TRC20 section. After confirmation of the transaction on the blockchain, the exchange will send the money to your card or account. Typically, this operation takes between 5 to 30 minutes, depending on the network and service. Trading on CoinEX. Now that your account is funded, it's time to start trading. CoinEX offers two main modes, spot trading and futures trading with leverage up to 100. Spot trading allows you to buy or sell cryptocurrency at the current market price. You receive the coins in your balance and can withdraw them to your wallet at any time. How to get started? Ensure that your funds are in the spot account. If they are in another account, such as P2P or futures, transfer them. Go to Assets and click Transfer. Navigate to the Trade Spot section in the top menu. In the top left corner, select a trading pair, such as BTC USDT. Below the chart, you will see a form with two blocks. On the left, the green Buy button. On the right, the red Sell button. Types of orders, market order, market tab. You buy or sell at the current price. Enter the amount and the transaction will be executed instantly. This is the simplest method, suitable for beginners. Limit order, limit tab. You specify the price at which you want to buy or sell. For example, if BNB is priced at 1,330 USDT and you want to buy it at 1,300, enter the price 1,300 and the amount you wish to purchase. Click Buy. The order will appear below. When the market price reaches 1,300, the order will be executed automatically. Advanced orders on CoinEX. Stop limit and stop market. These orders allow you to automate your entry into trades or protect your position without the need to constantly monitor the chart. You set conditions in advance and the exchange executes actions when the price reaches the specified level. Stop limit order. This order has two key parameters. Stop, the price at which the order is activated. Limit, the price at which the order will be executed. Example, buying on a breakout. Suppose BNB is priced at 1,328 USDT, and you want to buy if the price breaks 1,500 USDT, but you want to enter at 1,500 or lower. Select the Stop Limit tab. Enter 1,500 in the Stop field, enter 1,500 in the Limit field, specify the amount and click Buy BNB. When the price reaches 1,500 USDT, the exchange will create a limit order to buy at 1,500. If there are sellers at that price in the market, the transaction will be executed. To ensure execution even during price fluctuations, you can set the limit slightly higher, for example to 1,505. After the trade, you can see the purchased coins in the Assets Spot Account section, from where you can withdraw, exchange, or sell them. Tip for beginners, start with market orders for instant execution. As you gain experience, transition to limit and stop orders for more precise control. Futures allow you to trade contracts rather than the actual coins. This enables you to profit from both rising, long, and falling short prices using leverage of up to 100. How to start trading futures. If your futures account has no funds, transfer them. Go to Assets, Transfer, from Spot Account to Futures Account, USDTM. Navigate to the Trade Futures section. Select a trading pair, such as BTC, USDT. Setting trade parameters. Margin type. Margin is the collateral you put up to open a position. Isolated margin. You only risk the amount of that specific trade. If the market goes against you, the exchange will close only that position, preserving the remaining balance. Example, you have 100 USDT. You open a trade for 20 USDT with isolated margin. If the position is liquidated, you will lose only 20 USDT, while the remaining 80 will stay in your account. Tip. This is a safe option for beginners, as you know exactly how much you can lose. Cross margin. The entire balance of the futures account is used as a total cushion. If the price moves against you, the system takes additional funds from the balance to maintain the position. Example, you have 100 USDT, you open a trade for 20 USDT, but the market drops. The system uses the remaining 80 USDT to support the position. Plus, you can wait out a temporary drop if you are confident about a reversal. Minus, if the movement continues against you, you can lose your entire balance. Leverage in trading. Leverage is a tool that allows you to trade an amount greater than your initial investment. Example, 10x leverage. If you have 100 USDT, you trade as if you have 1000 USDT. A 1% increase will yield you a 10% profit. A 1% decrease will lead to a 10% loss. Tip for beginners. Use leverage no higher than 5x. High leverage increases both profit potential and loss risk. Earning on futures in both directions. Long, buy when you expect the price to rise. Example, bought BTC at 130,000 USDT, sold at 200,000 USDT. Profited from the increase. Short, sell when you expect the price to fall. Example, opened a short at 200,000 USDT, closed at 120,000 USDT, profited from the decline. Main rule. If you are confident in a rise, open a long. If you expect a decline, open a short. Choosing the type of order. Market order opens at the current price. Limit order opens when the specified price is reached after opening a position. Stop loss. The level at which the trade will automatically close, limiting losses. Take profit. The level at which profits are locked in. This way, you control your emotions and minimize unforeseen losses by following a pre-established plan. Copy trading on CoinEX. Copy trading is a feature that allows even beginners to earn by replicating the trades of professional traders. It is available in the Futures Copy Trading section. What is copy trading? Copy trading automatically duplicates the trades of the trader you select, eliminating the need to analyze the market yourself. You choose a trader and allocate an amount, after which the system copies their actions, opening and closing trades, setting stop losses, and take profits. How it works? Go to the Futures Copy Trading section on the website or in the app. A list of traders will appear with their statistics, ROI, return on investment percentage, P&L, profit and loss, number of followers, trading period, how many days the trader has been actively trading. Use filters to select a trader. Sort by ROI, number of trades, and risk level. Pay attention to stability and trading duration, not just high ROI. After selecting a trader, click Copy to open the copy settings. Copy settings. Copy amount. Specify how much USDT you want to allocate, such as 50 or 100 USDT. Leverage type. You can use the same leverage as the trader or set your own. It is recommended not to exceed 5x for beginners. Stop loss and take profit. You can set limits on losses, for example 20%, and levels for locking in profits, for example 40%. Click confirm, and the system will start automatically replicating the trades of the selected trader. When the trader closes a profitable trade, you receive returns proportional to your investment. For example, if the trader earns plus 10% and you invested 100 USDT, your account will increase to 110 USDT. From this profit, the trader receives a commission, usually between 10 to 50% depending on their level. The commission is deducted automatically, so you don't need to calculate anything manually. Pre-token trading on CoinEX. One of the most exciting features on CoinEX is pre-token trading, which allows you to purchase tokens before their official market launch. What is pre-token trading? Pre-token trading provides the opportunity to trade tokens of new projects before they are listed on the spot market. It's like a pre-market where you can evaluate and trade new assets before their official launch, similar to a launchpad or launch pool, but without locking your coins. How it works: finding this section. On the CoinEX homepage, select Trade Pre-Token from the top menu. Choosing a project, for example, pre-XPL or pre-Linea, tokens that will soon be available on the market. Opening the token page. Here you will find information about the current pre-token price, the number of participants, and the approximate listing date. Trading pre-token. You can buy and sell pre-tokens against USDT at market or limit prices. After the pre-period ends. When the token goes live on the spot market, all pre-tokens are automatically converted into the actual tokens of the project. This process is called delivery. Example. Suppose the project pre-XPL is launched on CoinEX. You purchased it at 0.10 USDT during the pre-token trading period. A week later, the token is listed at 0.25 USDT. Upon delivery, all your pre-XPL automatically convert into XPL, allowing you to profit even before the project officially hits the market. If trading isn't for you, but you still want to earn from cryptocurrency, CoinEX offers the Earn section for earning through flexible savings. This is passive income. You simply freeze your coins and receive daily interest while being able to withdraw your funds at any time without penalties. Where to find it? On the CoinEX homepage, select Earn from the top menu. Go to the Flexible Savings subsection. You will see a table with available assets and their yields. How it works: you choose a coin to invest in, such as USDT, with an annual yield of up to 5%. Click Subscribe next to the selected asset. Enter the amount, for example 100 USDT. Confirm the operation. Your earnings will start accruing the next day. If you are ready to lock up your coins for a certain period, fixed staking in the Earn section offers higher returns compared to flexible savings. The principle is simple. You deposit coins and receive interest, but the funds are locked for 30, 60, or 90 days, allowing you to earn more. Where to find it? Go to the Earn section in the top menu of CoinEX. Select the Fixed Staking tab. A list of coins will display on the screen, along with information about the locking period and annual percentage yield, APY. Choose a coin for staking, such as USDT, BTC, or CET, CoinEX's internal token. Specify the locking period, 30, 60, or 90 days. Enter the amount for staking and confirm the operation. The funds will be locked for the entire period, and income will be accrued daily and automatically added to your account. At the end of the staking period, the coins return to your balance along with the profit. In summary, we have covered all the main features of the CoinEX platform, from registration and funding your account to trading, staking, copy trading, and participating in pre-token projects. Now, you have a clear understanding of how to effectively use the exchange, trade, earn income, and build your strategy in the world of cryptocurrency.